the boat. Observer, Parvis, and here's the team coming on.
It's a beautiful day. And can't quite see France yet, but hopefully it'll be in sight soon. These four are quite fast. And we have Cosmic Rays number 1. What are you doing for Cosmic?
It's quite simple for me, really. My youngest son has a very rare metabolic condition, so unfortunately for us, my son will always have to be in the fear of having to have a intensive care facility. So this is a fantastic way of supporting the whole of the intensive care support, whilst I know Cosmic is primarily supporting meningitis research, PICU and NICU. This is just a good way of giving back and being able to take on a fantastic challenge with my friends.
Thank you very much indeed, and good luck. Ash is starting off Cosmic Rays, 4-man team, and I'm sure it's going to be an absolutely amazing swim. You're going to smash it.
Down, see them actually start. Swimmers just left the boat to come to shore. Cosmic boat relays 2 has just begun.
Simon,
Go on, Simon.
Ray. Andy's up. So we've got Simon, another Cosmic Ray. He's going to go next. So Simon, why are you doing this for Cosmic?
Morning. So I went to Durley a number of years ago and swam with the swim group there. And was asking around a relay team, and they suggested I look at so I went on the internet and tried to do some research, and I found that it hit everything that I wanted to raise money for. But more importantly, as well as money, it's the awareness as well. And it was it's a charity that just does fantastic work. You know, a lot of charities out there. Why choose this one? But it's a children's charity. It's very specialised, but it offers so much to so many.
Fantastic swim. Why are you doing this for Cosmic?
I spent 24 years in the military. The majority of that I was an intensive care nurse. So I actually looked after quite a lot of sick and critically injured children, both at home and overseas as well. So I understand what it's like to look after sick kids and also put on families. I had 2 daughters of my own, and my youngest daughter spent the first few days in neonatal intensive care. So again, as a parent, I understand what that's all about as well. And quite full circle really. She starts university next week to start nurse training. So,
Thank you very much for doing it. That was a fantastic swim.
thank you.
this is Aaron, the fourth Cosmic Ray, ready to go. So, Aaron, tell me why you're doing this for Cosmic.
So it's a fantastic cause that Simon got us all involved in about 18 months ago now, which I've managed to train for and track whilst I've been away in the States. Personally, my folks, their first baby died from meningitis, so the cause itself the charity itself has great sentiment to me. So it's just something really nice just to tip my cap to and through all the hard work done by Cosmic.
And you're going to smash it, fantastic.
Yeah, I'm going to give it a good go.
Just Simon, tell me, you guys are all from the Navy.
So no, it's a mixture. So I'm the only one who's not. So Ash in the water, he's currently an officer in the Navy. Aaron, he's an officer in the Royal Marines. Dean was an officer in the Navy, and I'm the odd one out. I'm a police officer. I'm responsible.
Fantastic. Well, you're all essential services, and we are very grateful. Thank you. Dean pushing hard. He might get at him. Go, Dean! Come on, Dean, he's doing well!